Cool dinosaur. It's actually an Aedosaurus. I think I'm saying that the right way, but I'm sure my older kids would correct me if I wasn't. So anyways, this is a really cool learning toy, and it is great for hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills. It helps kids to grip these little spines, kind of like how they would grip a pencil, which comes in really handy once they get in preschool and kindergarten. It is really important to have the right grip for a pencil, for writing and for other skills to come along as they are learning and developing. So this is just a really neat tool to do that. There's lots of fun games you can play with it. So as you can see, there's 12 little spines like this. There's 4 different colors. You could arrange things like, you know, say you want everything in one line to be one color, or each hole has a number associated with it. So you could say, please put the orange spine in number 8. And you can do that. So they can very easily press them in, bring them out, and it's fun just to see the little dinosaur. And scoot back, please. Can you tell them what happens when you push the 2 or 3 down? What happens? Push it down. The mouth pops open. How cute is that? So that's a fun little feature. Yeah, you can see his teeth, huh? And once you actually are done playing the game, a really nice feature also is that you can open up the back of it. Actually, the tail part comes out, or comes up. There we go. You kind of squeeze it, opens up, and you can put all the spines inside for easy storage, so you don't have pieces everywhere. That's one thing with me. I do not like extra pieces with toys because you find them everywhere. But with this, you can keep them all in here, and then you put the body back on, and you press it down. Now line it up like a puzzle, huh?
Yeah.
And press it down. There you go. Can you show them the dinosaur more closely? Put it up to the camera. Look at how cute that is. And it is made out of a polypropylene. It's also, you know, very safe for kids. It's very soft, and the spines are really soft as well. You can kind of squeeze them when you put them in there. So I really like that feature when little kids are playing with them, to have something a little bit softer.